Do you guys want a great night's sleep in your small camping trailer or van? We've tried 3 different iterations now, and we think we've stumbled upon a camper mattress upgrade that only a handful of people are doing, and it's a game changer. Welcome to Playing with Sticks. If you guys have arrived on this channel, obviously you're into small camper trailers and the outdoors like us. In this episode, we're gonna take you into our teardrop trailer and show you how we're getting those Z's every night. So this is our cozy little teardrop. So you can see with this setup, there is a lot of space between the cabinet and a ton of headroom up there. If you stick around long enough, we're gonna show you a trick for how you cut memory foam like butter. So what do we do to make this perfect bed? Just look how much feet space we have. I am nowhere near that cabinet. All the head space, perfect on the back, perfect on the side. So we just got in the inflatable mattress, and now I'm gonna put on top. Wait, hold on. Let's start in the beginning. We picked up a memory foam mattress last year at this box store. Did it work? We threw it in our teardrop, laid on it. On the back, it felt great. It was a perfect bed. Got on the side, and just a little bit you could feel the edge of the shoulder and the edge of the hip touching the floor, the subfloor of the teardrop. And we knew over time our weight would probably leave some memory and it wouldn't be a comfortable bedding situation.
This bed is too hard.
I'm not a very big guy, I don't weigh a lot. I'm assuming for any of you who weigh a little more, 4 inches is not going to cut it for a thickness of a memory foam. Back to the drawing board. If a 4-inch mattress wasn't going to work, we realized nothing bigger was going to work either. So we knew we didn't want to go higher than 4 inches for the mattress because every extra inch is a trade-off for head space and feet space between the cabinet and your mattress at the end of the foot of your bed. Plan number 2. The second iteration we tried was using one of those aero beds, just a basic blow-up bed. Everybody's favorite, aero bed. We even tried a smaller little air-up bed. The 2 problems we had was that after 2 or 3 nights, it started feeling like camping. It didn't feel like your home bed because it's a wobbly little air mattress. And then the other one is it takes up space. We barely had room for our feet below the cabinets, and it took a little bit of that headroom. So there's still a lot of headroom up here when you put in a big bed like an aero bed or a big air-up mattress, but look at the foot. So if you have yourself a cabinet down here, you're gonna have no room.
This bed is too soft.
Not gonna work, throwing that one out. So our next plan was based off of our home mattress. We found that by throwing an 1.5-inch memory foam topper on a mattress, it can be pretty magical. And so that's what we did. We grabbed our 1.5-inch memory foam from our old bed. We decided to just cut it up right away, get it fit in the teardrop, and we didn't even think of what base we would use under that little foam. We were just motivated to go forward, and we're not about the details. Who needs a base? Who needs a plan? We made a quick trip to our local thrift store to pick up our secret mattress cutting device. I mentioned at the beginning of the video, if you guys stuck around, I'd teach you how to cut memory foam like butter. Here you go. So we cut the mattress to fit, and now we were looking for a firm base. So after getting the memory foam cut out, we didn't have a base. We couldn't think of anything. We spent a lot of time on Google and finally decided we wanted some sort of inflatable mattress so we could make micro adjustments. We came across an inflatable thin mattress that was designed for 2 people and fit almost the size of the teardrop. Keyword almost. There was just a tiny gap on the sides, but we went forward and made the purchase. So the bottom air mattress is the Climate Double V. This thing's really cheap. I can't remember how much it was. It wasn't very expensive. It comes in this little case. And then this case also doubles up as your inflator. We went with the inflatable mattress because of its small size, because of its weight, because of the ability to roll it up and put it on the other side of the teardrop. And the thing we didn't really think about but has been the biggest benefit is the micro adjustments you can make to a mattress like this. It's basically like sleeping on one of those sleep number beds. Too firm? Not enough? Put some air in there. You're going to be able to dial it in to be perfect for your family. So we just got in the inflatable mattress, and it's all inflated and it's really thin. You can see here it's like, so it doesn't take away any of your headroom. And now I'm going to put on top the foam mattress, the memory foam. Here's the memory foam. It's a gel memory foam, very thin. I don't have the best example, but what most people are doing is they're finding two different self-inflating mattress pads that fit perfectly inside their teardrop, and that gets you a much better chance of finding the fit than doing one double person like we did. I think the coolest thing about the memory foam and then air up mattress combo is that it rolls away super easy. It's easy to just take all that and move it to the other side of the bed. Whereas if you have a standard mattress in here or 6/8 inch memory foam, it takes up a lot of room down there. And by moving that all to the other end, you can use your teardrop as a toy hauler. So bringing your kids bikes and little inflatable boats and things like that. So is it perfect? For May and East, my wife and son, they love this bedding setup. They say they're getting the best night's sleep ever. For me, I want it to be perfect. It is like right there. And what I found is that I sleep good on it, but for some reason there's still a bit of tossing and turning in the night. And what I think that is that, like I said earlier, the edges are not perfectly meeting the walls of the teardrop. We're right up against the edge and I feel a little bit of a downslope. And so I'll show you what I've done to fix that. There is ways around this, but if there's two of you in a teardrop, which there typically is, I think this is going to be a great setup for you. So you can see these on the edge here. These are just the little pads you put under a door to stop the air from coming in, like in your house in the winter to stop a cold draft. We just stick these on the side where the bed is, and then that, fills the gap a little bit, but they're really soft and they keep it up. And then by putting those in, I had a good night's sleep too because it was even.
This bed is just right.
It just makes sense when you're in a small van or a small camper or in one of these teardrops to find some sort of bedding situation that's really thin, really small, gives you the space. But will this be it? Will I be settling with this mattress setup? Probably not. I love to tweak things, try things out. Either I'm gonna change out the base or add a little egg layer under there. Maybe I'll even try the 6-inch memory foam. Okay, what about you guys? All you RVers out there, you and your vans and in your small camper trailers and scamps and teardrops, what are you using for your bedding? We would love to know. I know others in the comment section would love to know. Thank you all for subscribing. We really appreciate it. Click that bell if you want to be notified every time we put out a small camper trailer video. Thank you guys so much. It's been super fun. Our next video is going to be a scamp versus teardrop again, but this time it's the pros of the teardrop. Later, guys.